In Valorant, choosing the right agent can greatly influence your gameplay. Here are some of the best agents to consider. Number one, Jett. Jett is an agile duelist known for her speed and mobility. Her abilities allow her to dash around the map, making her great for aggressive plays and flanking enemies. Number two, Sage. As a healer, Sage is essential for team support. Her healing abilities can revive teammates and she can create barriers to block enemy attacks, making her a valuable asset in any match. Reyna, another powerful duelist. Reyna excels at taking out her enemies and healing herself. Her abilities allow her to become more dangerous after each kill, making her a strong choice for solo players. Number four, Sova. Sova is an excellent scout. His abilities help gather information about enemy locations, allowing your team to better plan strategies. His ultimate ability can also deal significant damage. All right. Number five is Omen. Omen is a versatile controller who can create shadows and teleport around the map. His abilities allow for tactical plays and strategic control of battlefield. All right. Choosing the right agent can enhance your team's chances of winning. So find the one that fits your play style. Let me know in the comments what you like the best.